According to the OpenStack Foundation, only 15% of all the OpenStack deployments are running on the latest version of OpenStack. Companies are missing on the latest and greatest of all the innovation that the OpenStack Foundation and the OpenStack community brings every 6 months. Only about 50% of them are upgraded in the last year. BootStack, the fully managed services from Canonical, will take care of your upgrades as part of their service. We caught up with one of cloud reliability engineers who's going to explain us how.
Upgrading OpenStack releases can be a challenge given the many moving parts, packages, DB and config changes. You can see the official upgrade guide here for the documented procedure, which in turn has specific pages for each of the OpenStack services. Also, Juju workflow makes upgrading much easier. By implementing this upgrade process into the Juju Charms code itself, there can still be issues with driving it. For example, while doing the stepped upgrades toward Mitaka for the latest OpenStack LTS release, we hit a blocking issue on Nova validation error for unmigrated flavor records. This was then found to be triggered on clouds originally deployed with pre-kilo OpenStack only. As this was a blocking issue, to be able to continue with the upgrade, we have to manually run the flavor migration and then file a launchpad bug for the proper follow-up fix. Our OpenStack Charmers team then fixed the bug upstream by letting the charm run the Nova flavor migration itself when Kilo was the target for the OpenStack release upgrade. This fix has then been available since 1607 Charms release. It's important to highlight that Juju Charms benefit both from its continuous integration testing, also from our day-to-day operations, so that we can add our DevOps experience to the Charms code itself. It's also important to know that this does not create customer lock-in, as everything we do from the OpenStack packages themselves to the Juju Charms is open source.
If you're logged in an old version of OpenStack and you want to move to the last version, BootStack can help you. Visit ubuntu.com/bootstack.